Welcome to walking the streets in Bristol. Behind you can see a row of houses, and they have kind of gutters that run along the middle of each roof. Something to be aware of when you're looking at property. Sometimes those channels, I mean, they have, depending on what they're made of course, have a roof life of about 30 years. So if it hasn't been done recently, it's something you'll probably want to budget for. The other thing, if you look at my media feed, there's a guy who will come to your house and do a drone survey of the roof for you. It's worth it for the money. So I'll put the link. It's on Instagram. He does roof surveys with drones, so it's worth getting him to come and have a look. I only know this because I bought one, and the roof is not in great shape. I couldn't get up there, didn't know anyone that could at that particular point in time, and I think the quote is about 20 grand, so not really what I wanted to be doing. That was actually a block of flats, converted already, and we just split the leases, and now I am director of the management company for my sins. So that's worth noting. Just as we were walking around the area, I saw those roofs and that reminded me. And there is Emily, is the other side.
Hello.
Hey. So we've just been around her project. Check out the videos either there or there, and you can see the inside of her project. I will catch up with you soon. Hope that's helpful.